Is there a link between sugar and Alzheimer's? Did you know your brain is an energy hog? It accounts for only about 2% of your body weight, but it uses up 20% of your daily energy. It needs fuel constantly. But what happens when we feed it the wrong kind of fuel? The story behind sugar and the brain is fascinating. The connection between fructose, a specific type of sugar, and the development of Alzheimer's dementia is a real link that scientists are only just beginning to understand. First, we need to talk about the process of sugar. Our bodies mainly run on glucose. Nearly every cell uses it for immediate energy. Fructose is different. It's primarily metabolized in the liver. In an evolutionary sense, fructose was a survival mechanism. Leading researchers, including Dr. Richard Johnson, suggest that fructose triggers a foraging switch, kind of like a survival mechanism. When our ancestors found fruit in the autumn, the fructose signaled our bodies to slow down our metabolisms and store fat quickly to survive the coming winter. Fructose is designed to make you hungry and store energy, again, to get you through the long winter. The problem in today's society is we never need to prepare for winter anymore. There's an abundance of food all year round, but we are drowning in fructose year round as well, mostly through high fructose corn syrup and added sugars in processed foods. When the survival switch is stuck in this position constantly, it wreaks havoc in the brain. Chronic excess fructose levels lead to inflammation and poison what's called the mitochondria, also known as the power plants of our cells. Perhaps more critically, it causes insulin resistance in the brain. Basically, your brain cells become unable to absorb glucose effectively. They are swimming in fuel, but because of the insulin resistance, they are starving to death. When brain cells starve, they shrink and die. This is the hallmark of dementia. Now, please don't panic and throw away your fruit bowl. We should remember nature processed glucose with fiber, water, and antioxidants. When you eat a whole apple, the fructose hits your system slowly. Your liver can handle it. The danger is the liquid rush of industrial fructose, such as sodas, sweetened juices, and highly processed foods. That's what overwhelms the system and triggers the brain to starve and become inflamed. The research is still evolving, but one thing's quite clear. Protecting your brain for the future starts with what you eat today. Train your palate away from hypersweet processed foods and stick to whole fruit when you need that sugar fix.